In this lesson, we're going to look at viewing information within a data table. We're going to look at the athletes table again, but this time we're going to use an SQL statement to view the information. To do this, we click onto New Query here. We can then type in the SQL statement that we want to execute, but I'll give you a bit of an explanation. The select means which fields from the data table you want to see. So if I click, so there you can see there's Ath ID, forename, surname and telephone. The next command line is from dbo.athlete. Now this dbo.athlete is here, so you can see that's the from statement. If I run this SQL statement with execute here, you'll notice that lists all the fields from the DBO athlete table. Okay, taking this a stage further, we can then use another statement but this time we're only going to be selecting the forename and the telephone fields from the table. Now you'll notice I've also, just so you can look at this, I've included the actual database name here, .dbo.athlete. Now that is not always necessary, so I just wanted to show you that still work with that, but this time we only get the forename and the telephone number. Now that's got nothing to do with athletes only, DBO athlete. We could simply use the DBO athlete same as last time. Execute it again, we get exactly the same information. It's to select the fields that we're looking at here from DBO athlete. You can see the information is here the way we want it to. Let's go a slight stage further. We're now going to be looking at what's called the order by. Now an order by gives alphabetical order of a particular field name. So we're going to get star, all the field names. Remember, it's not the information in the database, it's actually the data fields from the table, from the athlete table. We're going to order by surname this time, so the surname should be in alphabetical order. So if we execute that, you can see alphabetical order now of that surname. Okay, so you can see that Ath ID now is not in the same order as it was before. It was 1 to 40 last time. It has now changed to be this order of this field we selected here. We try another one. This time we're going to be looking at ascending and descending. So if I try that one now, so again we're selecting all the fields from the athlete table, but this time we're ordering by surname ascending and forename ascending too. So if I execute that, you'll now notice that actually the forenames will also be in order based on the surname order as well. Okay. Now your task is to create an SQL statement to show all records in the order of telephone number. I'll give you pause the video, try to do that. When you've done that, continue with the video. Okay, in this session we looked at viewing records from the database and the data tables using the select statement, the from table statement and the order by table statement. The select selects the fields from the data table. The from selects the table you want to select the fields from, and the order by select an alphabetical sorted number or number sort on the fields, either ascending or descending.